1, 3, 4, here. 6, okay. Seven. Siete. 61. Okay. C61.5 is okay. Now, which one?
This one here
is 63.
What about? So this is. That's the one, that we were looking at.
Yes.
That's Z. Let me close this and go to Z. Only.
When you see that from this,
It's easier.
it's easier, yeah.
Yeah, straight away. Oh, so are you happy you fixed that? We do another file.
I'm doing now.
You're doing now, okay. What else do you want to see? Any look for more?
62, level 6. No, wait. Into. No, 60. Level 6. It's strange because I have this one. Look.
Yeah. But what is the order?
Z62 6.
Yeah, but the display order.
Ah, okay. 7.
Right, let's just check for more here.
For me?
No, I'm looking here. I want to look at this end here. Is this right?
The longest should be 70.
70.
Yeah.
70 there, yeah.
Yeah, you should be 270 inches. Heels.
270, the end one. 69 and 70. It's only 170. And this one here is slightly shorter, See that? Yeah, that's right.
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay. Okay. I want to check. Yes, you just want 8 heels. What do you say?